Your attention, please. The emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for northern Noxubee County in east central Mississippi, southeastern Oktibbeha County in northeastern Mississippi, Lowndes County in northeastern Mississippi, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bethesda, or 14 miles south of Starkville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Oktok around 7:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sessoms around 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Crawford around 7:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Ben Oak around 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Columbus around 7:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Artesia. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Marshall County